Hello, class 5. In the previous classes, you have read about the decimal numbers, in which you have read about uh, expanded form of a decimal number. Now, today, you are going to understand about the comparison of decimal numbers. It means ordering of rational numbers. How to compare two rational numbers, how to understand in given two rational numbers which is greater or which is lesser, and how we can write the given decimal numbers in ascending form, ascending order or descending order. So take a look at this. Students, our topic is ordering of decimal numbers. Ordering means writing a decimal number in ascending or descending order. Or you can say that comparing decimal numbers. It means compare decimal numbers means which is greater or lesser. So first come with the comparison. See the given pair of decimal numbers. You can see these two numbers 182.6 and 181.32. To compare decimal numbers, first we have to check whole part. We have to check whole part. Okay. We have to check whole part. Here the whole part is 182 and 181. You can see clearly 181 is less than 182. So this is greater number. So you can write just 182.6 is greater than 181.32. So we can write 182.6 is greater than 181.32. Now see the given pair of decimal numbers 32.75 and 32.58. Here whole parts are same. You can see the whole parts are same. You can see whole part is 32 and here also whole part is 32. So this is okay. Now we have to check for the decimal part 75 and 58. Here check the 10th place first. The 10th place is 7 and here 10th place is 5. Which is greater? So 7 in 7 and 5, 7 is greater than 5. So this number is greater than this number. So you can write that 32.75 is greater than 32.58. You have to check first 10th place, then you have to check, if not comparable, then you have to check further 100th place, then 1000th place, then 10,000th place. Okay. Now see the given pair of decimal numbers 179.863 and 179.8489. You can see the whole part of these two given decimal numbers are same. Okay, so it is okay. Now see the 10th place. Here 10th place also same. So first we have to make them in like decimal. Write in like decimal by putting 1 0. Okay, here 4 places, here also 4 places. Now it will be like decimals. Okay, now check first 10th place, they are also same. Now check for 100th place. You can see in 100th place it is 6 and the 100th place it is 4. So you know 6 is greater than 4. So you can write 179.863 is greater than 179.8489. So first you have to check from left to right always. If there is 100 place 100, then tens, then ones. If whole part is same, then you have to go for tens place, then you have to go for hundred place, then you have to go for thousand place, and then you have to go for 10,000 place in the same way, and you can compare. Now come for the ascending order of decimal number. You know ascending order for whole numbers. In whole number chapter you have read about the ascending order from smaller to greater. Here also you have to write smaller to greater, but you have to decide which is smaller, which is greater. Here the numbers are 6.035, 6.53 and 6.005 and 6.359. First you have to write in like decimals. So here only this number is having two places of decimal, so you have to put 10 and complete it. Now all these numbers are like decimal. Now check for ones place. It means whole part is same. Now check for the decimal part. In the decimal parts, first digit 0, 5, 0, 3. So 0 is less than 5 and 3. So you have to check 0, 0. Then compare these two numbers. So after 10th place, we have to check 100th place. In 100th place it is 3, it is 0. So this number is the smallest number. So first we have to write 6.005, and obviously the second number will be 6.035. Now this number 3, here you can see at 10th place it is 3 and at 10th place it is 5. So it is smaller. So first write 6.359. And now 6.530. You can see all these numbers are in ascending order. 6.005 is less than 6.035 is less than 6.359 is less than 6.530. Okay. Now the second example, it is written 3.7, 2.83, 2.843 and 2.705. First write the decimal numbers in like decimals, putting 2 zeros here to make it 3 places decimal, putting 1 0 to make it 3 decimal. It is already in, these are already in like 3 places. Okay, now these numbers are in like decimals. Now come for the whole part. Here you can see the whole part 3, 2, 2, 2. It means this number is the biggest, so leave it first. Now come to the 2, 2, 2. After 2, you can see the 10th place. Here 8, and here 7. So the lesser is 7. So first number is 2.705. Now you have to check in these two numbers. 10th place are the same, so check for 100th place. 100th place it is 4, it is 3, so it is less than, so 2.830 we have to write. Okay. Now 2.843 is greater than this, and the biggest number already 3.700. Now you can write 2.705, 2.83 and 2.843 and 3.7. This is the ascending order. Now take one example for descending order. It is 15.92, 25.295, 15.59, 15.72. First check with the whole part. In whole part it is greatest. Now it is 15, 15, 15. In 15, 15, 15 whole part we have to check for 10th place. In 10th place it is 9, it is 5, it is 7. So the smallest is 5. So the first number is 15.59. Okay. So I have to write 15.590. Okay, after writing in like decimals, you have to write first in like decimals. Then you can see 15.590 is the smallest number. Then check for the hundredth place. 15 15 15 15, it is completed already. So in these two numbers, the 10th place is, no, okay, its 10th place is, this 10th place is less than, so you have to write 15.720. After that you have to write 15.920, and finally you have to write the greatest one, 25.295. Okay, I hope students you can understand how can you write a given set of decimal numbers in ascending or descending order, and you can compare two rational numbers in which two rational numbers which is greater or lesser. You can also watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.